Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you know, it's your boy Ricky here, and today we're gonna be trading gold live. All right, so we're gonna be showing you how to grow a 214 rands account to 4.2. All right, so stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. As you can see right there, we open some positions, and it's one position that we're trying to see how far the market's gonna take. And guys, we're back again, and as you can see there, we took some couple of trades. All right, after taking some couple of trades, we made a withdrawal of the amount that we deposited, and we're still in profit, as you can see right there. And as you can see, the balances and the profit we have made. Okay, all right, now that we've doubled the account, all right, so now as you can see there, we are in profits with gold. All right, so the main point was to trade gold properly. As you know, gold is a bit volatile. All right, and we are in profits. All right, the reason why we took so many trades is because the account is stable and it can hold the trade. All right, and as you can see there, according to our margin as well, we are able to take more positions, but these are enough so that we don't put the account in danger. And we're back again, guys. We took some trades on gold and we sold gold, and we have an analysis right there. As you can see, the market is still selling and it's heading into a direction, and we're making some couple of dollars with that movement as well, and the account is growing. So after a long time, all right, waiting, we found that the market is going to go up, and the market went up, and we bought gold and it went to profits immediately. Welcome back, family. All right, it's the next day, and you know what time it is. All right, we have passed our target, and we're still holding some trades, and they are in profits. All right, let us not get greedy at this moment. We need to close those trades as soon as possible as we hit our target. But what is important is that the 2-day trial trading gold was a success. We did not blow the account, and right now we are currently trying to figure out how you guys can be able to do the same. All right, but I hope you have learned some couple of things right there, some tips and how we're actually doing it. All right, but this was just a normal day of a daily trader. All right, and yes sir, a target has been hit afterwards. The 2-day trial, remember, the deposit was 214 rands, and now we are on 4.7. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you on the next video. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.